This is LASERPECKER 2, the new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution, 10 times the speed increase. This means fast, super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of LASERPECKER Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LASERPECKER Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LASERPECKER Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LASERPECKER can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LASERPECKER 2. The SuperFast LASERPECKER 2.
LASERPECKER 2 SuperFast Handheld. 2-in-1 laser engraver and cutter. 1 compact and portable. This solid disruptive innovation in small size with handle is convenient to take on the go. Personal DIY, bulk or offline shop commercial customization, production marking, and far more possible. 2. Fast and accurate upgraded laser source with 10x power than the first generation, engraving speed up to 600 mm, preview speed 3720 mm, 0.05 mm high accurate spot create more details. 3 engraving resolution options 1K, 1.3, 2K provide perfect details level. Class 4 laser engraving machine. 3. Easy to use, plug and play, sets up in seconds and works with smartphone PC to transfer images, keep 11 cm laser distance and correct power depth, and begin engraving with just a few clicks. 4. Functional and handy. Max 100 mm engrave size LASERPECKER. 2. Can engrave paper, cardboard, wood, leather, acrylic, oxidized painted aluminum, etc. Can't engrave gold, silver, copper, brass, or reflective materials. Cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather thickness within 5 mm. 5. Safety and guarantee. Protective shield, goggles, overheating protection, password lock, motion detection, laser indicator, and overheat shutdown make it super safe to use. This machine with a 12-month guarantee. Package includes laser unit, electric stand, protective shield, adapter, glasses, Type-C cable, English manual,